Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're out here today in Wills Point, Texas to give you an updated tour of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Ranger floor plan that we have here. It's a modified Ranger that they've custom fit to what they want on their property, and they have an indoor-outdoor fireplace here, which you can kind of see behind me. And then we've got a lot of windows here on the front porch, a big back porch area. So we're going to take you guys through and show you, we're in the wood framing phase of this particular home. We wanted to take you guys through and kind of show you what it looks like as of right now, and then come back a little bit later and show you how this one's going to come together. It's going to be a really beautiful build. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. You can leave any questions or comments in the comment area below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And then of course you can check us out TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums as well. And then last but not least is our website, 1845barndominiums.com. We would love to hear from you and give you a quote if you'd like. So let's head inside now and take a look at this Barndominium outside of Wills Point. All right guys, so here we are in the living area. Again, we've got a really windy day. I know you can hear that probably in the background, but we're going to do the best that we can today for you. So we've got a big living area here. I'm going to pan around and show you kind of the layout here from the middle of the house. This is a Ranger floor plan. It is a 2-bedroom. This is bedroom number 2 with a full bath over here. And we've also got the laundry and mudroom with some storage back there by the back door. And then we're going to pan around and you can see that we are going to have the kitchen area back here kind of along the back wall. Now, this kitchen area, we're going to have cabinetry and countertops on the back wall, and then we're going to have kind of an L-shaped island. So we're going to have some cabinetry over here along this wall, and then our island is actually going to come out and you can see where the plumbing is. They are going to have their sink and dishwasher there in the island, and when we come back in after we've done sheetrock and get those cabinets installed, we'll see how that kind of comes together. And then as we come around and pan around the other side, we'll be able to see the master wing here. We've got a full shower tub in that bathroom, and then we're going to have a large closet area for them to use, double vanities in the sink, and then a 13 by 14 master bedroom. But now the focal point here obviously is the fireplace, but what you don't see here is a front door. So we've got a lot of glass here on the front, but no front door here on the front of the house. But what we've done is the homeowner came in and said, you know what, we don't want that on the front. We don't want to be able to see that visually on the front of the home. So we tucked it over here off the extension. So what they did with the Ranger floor plan was just extend it out a little bit to be able to fit the fireplace here and just to have a little bit extra room in their living area. So they put that front door access onto the porch there off the side. So as we make our way over here into the guest room, so we've got all the wood framing done for the home and what we've got going on here today. So as we walk around, you're going to see a lot of PVC and PEX on the floor here. And so we've got a lot of our top out plumbing going in. Our electricians are going to come in shortly after that, and then we'll have our HVAC being installed shortly after. So after we get done with that wood framing, we will come in and take care of all that electrical, that plumbing, and that HVAC before we spray our spray foam insulation in here. Now, this particular bedroom is going to be 11 by 12. And as we can see here, what we're going to have is this is going to be an interesting little area. We're going to have closet here in the front on that back side. We're going to put a wall up here on the back side there. On the kitchen side, we're going to have a pantry area, some extra storage for them to utilize. So as we come in here, we've got double vanities here, 1 and 2. We've got a large large window here that's going to be over the toilet area. And then we are going to have a tub shower combo in here in bathroom number 2 that's going to fit in here. Now, one thing that they built in here, so a lot of times if we do that second bedroom or that second and third, sometimes people want to do a Jack and Jill, and the question becomes, okay, how are your guests going to access the restroom? So one of the things that the homeowner did, I'm going to turn around here and show you kind of how they did this. So I'm standing in the back door area right here, and you can see we've got our pantry area that's going to be here right off the kitchen. But one thing that they did, I'm standing kind of in the laundry mudroom area, but they made an access door here for this bathroom. So rather than have to put a half bath or another bathroom in the floor plan, they elected to go ahead and put a door here so that the guests can come in out of the back and they don't have to go completely into the home to be able to access a shower or toilet if they need it. Now also back here on the back of the home is our laundry / mudroom. We've got our laundry in here. We're going to have washer and dryer here on the back wall here on the end wall. And then we are going to have some cabinetry here right by the back door for them to utilize, just to have some extra storage space, some cubbies, things like that. And then of course we've got our access here to go out onto the back porch. As we come across into the master wing over here, before we go into that master room, I'm going to show you kind of this little jut out, or this little nook right here that we've got. Now straight ahead of us right here is going to be a linen closet that they've got right here for storage. Again, utilizing every foot that they can, every inch of the floor plan that they can. And then we've got our mechanical closet right here. You can see where our AC unit is going to be mounted right here with our fresh air right here. And we're going to vent all of that up into the attic space. And so as we turn in here, and another cool thing about having the little nook here is when everybody's sitting in the living room area, there is a solid wall. So if I pan right here, you can see this is going to be a solid wall that kind of closes this off from the living area, so nobody can sit in the living area and see into that master bedroom. Now we've got three single 3050 windows here, a lot of light coming into this room. This is a 14 by 13 master bedroom. And as we look here, we can kind of see the setup as we move into the bathroom area. I'm going to show you what they've got here. Again, using some storage space here, utilizing every inch of the floor plan that they can. They've got double vanities here on the right side as you enter the bathroom. They're going to have their toilet area, and then they're just going to have a shower here. No tub here. The tub is on the other side of the floor plan, so they chose to just do a shower here because they didn't really have the space. They would rather have the closet space rather than put the tub and shower in here separately. And then we have a lot of closet space right inside here. It's kind of an L shape, as you can see. But by the time we get done with our finish out in there, when we put uppers and lowers and shoe racks and everything else in there, they'll have a lot of hanging space and storage space. And then right here, we've just built in, we made another little small linen closet for them to have towels and washcloths and things for them to use. And it's just a really good usage of the space in this particular house. There's not any wasted space in this home, in this particular floor plan. And I'm going to show you here, I'm going to come up here and show you the 2x12 framework that we've got up here for the vault. So this living area will be fully vaulted up here. We've got 2x12s framework here with a huge header running through the middle right there. But one of the things that you can see with that gabled roof, sorry, the vaulted roof, not a gabled, you can see that we have some storage space over both of the bedrooms area. So both wings of the house have a little storage space that they can utilize up top if they want to. We do have attic door access built in there. And then again, here we are back in the front of the home. So this is just a real quick look at the layout of this particular house. We're going to visit this again after they get finished with the sheetrock. So we're going to make our way out to the front here and kind of wrap this up. But we'll be back here after sheetrock to give you guys a look at this Barndominium in Wills Point, Texas. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour for today. I hope you enjoyed the progress tour here on this 2-bedroom, 2-bath Ranger floor plan that we have outside of Wills Point, Texas. We'll come back after they've done our trim work and our sheetrock and things like that and kind of give you an idea and show you an updated walkthrough of the home. And of course, we'll show you a completed tour once we're finished. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. You can check us out on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then if you would like to get a quote or talk about how we can get the process started for building your dream home, you can check us out at 1845barndominiums.com. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.